to be using for this style, I'm going to use Supercurl. And so Supercurl by Uncle Funky's Daughter is a miracle moisture cream, but it's also wonderful for definition. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. And it's so smooth and moisturized. Now that I've applied that, I'm going to move to Shining Star, which is going to give it some nice shine. Just a little bit of that. I'm going to make sure that I'm twisting at the root as closely as possible. And I'm twisting tightly down. So it's the next morning from setting my twist, and now it's time for takedown. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Okay, this is going to be cute. Ah! Look at the definition and volume. All right, so here are the final results, ladies. What do you think? Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you, and I will see you next time. Bye.